in gardening. Well, Brother Manlike, how many bacteria are inside of you? Inside of you. How many bacteria? Millions that have been farming your ass since you was an infant. Okay? And without them, then you wouldn't have a healthy GI tract. Okay? So what we're saying is that we have to expand this notion of seeds and gardening, that when we suck in air, we're bringing in air that has oxygen, CO2. O2 comes in, hits the alveoli, the red blood cells, goes into every cell, the mitochondria. We kick in Krebs cycle, ADP, ATP, and get energy. That's gardening with air. Same way with water. We suck in water, and water, as you know, is composed of oxygen and hydrogen and oxygen, and there are two flammable gases that explode and blow up shit. They form water, put fires out. That coming together, oxygen, was a seed. Was a seed coming together. But now, I'm saying that we have the opportunity now to expand our thinking beyond the simplified notion of seeds and garden. And that we are both eating things from the garden and our assets are being farmed. We're being
fertile ground, right?
Damn right. We're like fertile soil for all manner of things. And that's all part of the divine wisdom, again, that women have because of they have a different dimensionality of connection, is how I look at it. And so our work here is trying to get to be 360. She got a PhD. You used to call it piled high and deep. You know about your navel. Well, what else do you know? And we're saying, yes, go get degrees. Yes, go to college. Yes, but come out of there and learn something. How to be 360. That we need now. We need now 360 thinkers. But we're saying the best place to learn how to be eco-literate, how to connect with all this spiritually, it's in a garden. We all eat. If you want to, George Washington Carver was a friend with Thomas Edison, Einstein, Gandhi, and they all said he was the greatest scientist of their era. And they weren't too bad either. But he says he talked to the trees, he talked to the plants, he talked to the animals, and they talked back to him. I'm going to end up, we work with 17 different universities. One is Cornell University. We're up there working on how to trees talk to trees, how the trees talk to the bushes, and how the humans talk to the plants. And they have visuals. They have visuals showing the roots go down, they spread out, along comes the fungi, all the mycorrhizae, and they connect with this tree. And it's all as visuals showing all that.
That's amazing.
That's part of our work, is to get at that level of agricultural seeds. Anyway.
Thank you.
There. So about 3 years ago, part of our seed work with the Jama Seeds in Berea, Kentucky, we gave out to we have about 200 people in our Sustainable Berea Urban Farming Network, okay? And we gave them seeds from our Jama Seed Network. So we'll take those that are relevant to you.
Sit back so Bonnie can hear him.
And plant them, and we're going to do a book. Plant them, harvest them. And in the book we want to do what seeds you selected, a recipe using the seed, and a family story. And we have in this book about 30 people from all over the world. Vietnam, China, Thailand, Mexico, East and West Africa, Europe, India, who've all written their seed, a recipe, and a cultural story. It has helped us. I didn't know. We've had people in Korea, from China, Thailand, Mexico, Uganda, Ethiopia, Mexico, Brazil, until we did this book. Anyway, so we're kind of using this as a model for other places and some of them.
Thank you. Yeah, it's great. Thank you.